What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt, and this is Jared. We got a huge announcement. Jared did drag week in 2019 in his Pontiac G8. I rode along with him. This car right here is a history-making car. First car to complete one lap of America and drag week in the same year, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm happy to be a part of that. And this year is 2021. And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna get sponsored by Turtle Wax.
I don't know about that, but we're doing drag week in the G8 and the Mustang.
Might be the first car in history to win Ford Nationals and do drag week in the same year. We'll have to check those results then.
That's another record, micro record. We'll take everyone we can get.
Yep.
That's what we're about. So, Jared's gonna run which class?
Slow class.
Well, that's technically a fast
Small
class.
block street race power outer.
Right. And I'm gonna run technically I'm in the slow class. I'm in the like street under, or I don't know, street something.
10-0 street index class.
10-0 index class. So drag week is in September. It's all Midwest states. We're gonna do it. Chelsea's coming. Who's holding the camera? T is coming. Are we gonna win?
No.
I might.
But we're gonna have fun.
I'm gonna try to win. I probably won't win, but I'm gonna try to win. Jared is just about having fun, completing it again. He may be the first G8 in history to complete one lap of America, or drag week twice. What do you think? Possible, right?
There were a couple Ks last year though. So I don't know.
There's less to prepare this time for your car, right?
Yeah, we just have to remove some stickers.
Remove stickers, and I thought we were gonna wrap it. Let's wrap it.
Wrap it what?
White. Even if we wrap it white.
We'll consider some things.
Okay, my car, pretty much we have to do some testing. We got to get it close to 10-0. We got to get it there. We have to put a hitch on it because I got to bring a trailer. I can't fit tires in my car.
Technically, I'm not even allowed to carry them for you.
Correct. I can't fit tires. I'm not going to fit tires and jacks and stuff in the car. So we're gonna have to tow a little trailer or a hitch or something. So
I think our best bet is to get like a platform,
which we have already.
Yeah, like put a hitch platform on like that, and then just strap the tires to that.
Yeah, we could do that.
That's gonna be.
I have a platform at home, so we could do that. Yeah. But we got to do a hitch. We got to do testing. We got to get close to 10-0. So we may have to do some simple weight reduction. Take the back seats out. Do something. What?
It's not gonna matter.
Why?
Just keep the comfort mods.
Yeah,
he's too old to be uncomfortable during drag.
Yeah, but I'm close to running that 10-0. We gotta run that 10-0. We gotta try to win. We're going for the win. So, what do you think? You excited about this?
Yeah.
This is a big announcement. Last year, so you got in.
We're both
last year.
Yeah, we're both actually in this time because we had VIP. I don't know what's it called. We had first dibs to get in.
You were actually in last year. I was on the waiting list, and so the whole COVID thing messed everything up. Jared got in again this year because he got first invite. Then I was early enough on the wait list. I got an invite, signed up, so we're officially in. No wait list this time.
Correct.
So we're gonna walk you through the whole process again like we did last time. Stay tuned for all those awesome drag week videos. We got so many awesome videos coming. You better stay tuned. You better hit that subscribe button. What else should they do?
Bring it if you have a fast car.
Not saying it more passion.
There's so many people watching.
If you have a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching, guys.